This video was sponsored by Enhance, Neowatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're now in Shanghai. I'm gonna check out the Tesla Model Y L. Yeah, I only have my phone with me, but that's fine because I think I need some wide angle before I enter the extremely tight space in the back here. Okay, and then also we don't have alone time here, so I just have to try to squeeze in between the other customers. Okay, while waiting for the guys to finish over there, I'll check out the trunk here first. Here, let's see. Well, you actually get okay space here in the back. Wait, is this new? I never seen. Okay, so it has a little slight curve there, and then okay, the same as we've seen before. What is this? I actually haven't watched too many reviews yet. And let me check something here. If we fold the rear, oh, okay. Let me actually get okay space. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna take it up again. Yeah, I think you can also fold that. Okay, I'm not gonna do it while I do this there. So what we need to test is here. So I can show you. Okay, we don't want to wait too long. These guys might take some time. But you see here, you can go backward quite a lot, or at least there. And then when you come forward, I'm not sure how much forward you can go. Well, you can go. You can actually go forward quite a lot, which is good for the legroom in the back there. There, roughly. Okay, so let me get in more neutral position, because if you go all the way forward, then you don't have much space left for the second row, right? Man, just a couple of minutes ago, the car was completely available for me. And I can show you here, you do this, and then it folds it. And then, okay, since there's someone there, then it doesn't mess up with the front seat. Okay, when I try this, when the car is empty, then the front seat actually moved slightly. I'm not sure. Okay, there. So it falls quite flat. Nice. And then here I can show you that there's a button there, and also the same button here. So you press it, and then the thing comes up. So it's like you get it on one side, and then you're supposed to have it here. Alright, they're finally gone. Let me show you here. So if I sit here, and now I have plenty of legroom, but if I start sliding more forward to the point where I still get okay legroom, but if I go all the way forward, let's try that. There it stops, then it's uncomfortable. So then I want to go maybe slightly like here-ish. And then on this seat, I will also try to go all the way forward, just in case to see what happens. And then we try. Yeah, sorry, someone is grumpy over there. We need to do this quickly. And then here, this is a test. We go in the back, and then holy macaroni, oh shit, it's freaking tight. Here you have slightly better legroom. Unfortunately, you can kind of do this, right? Oh, I have to go wide there. You can kind of do this. What about this person who sits in the less leg? Okay, holy shit, it's cramped. We have this elevated thing here that eats up some. So you okay, let me explain now. This is so cramped. You have a cup holder there. You have some buttons here. You actually have air vents here and there, and then it's cramped here. I don't know how else to explain to you. The problem is the height, because I'm 173 centimeters and the feet are pointing up like this. It's like you're sitting almost on a, I don't know, on a stool, right? On the floor, or something like a small IKEA stool. No, it's so low. Huh? So what kind of height are we talking about here? I don't have a measurement. Okay, let's do fist. It's roughly 2.5 fist height. Holy macaroni! I heard about this and I needed to experience myself. But dude, I tested recently Onvo L90 is way better space. They might cost roughly the same. I haven't checked the price, but in the Onvo it was way better. It's more boxy. You have a bigger window here. Here you feel like you're in prison, really. Shit. And it's so cramped. Ah, what the heck, man. And then, oh shit, also when it comes to headroom here, there's not the fist headroom. You might have two finger clearance, maybe 3 finger clearance if you wait. I'm not sure. Yeah, if I sit properly, 2 finger clearance, 3 fingers if you relax. That's it. And then you climb forward like this. Holy macaron. Okay, let me try something here. And then if I raise the armrest and then do the, oh, I think I messed up something here. So here you have the armrest here, you can do this, right? On this side, you also have the armrest here, but it's like a toy. I mean, it helps kinda, but I don't get any support here. I only get the, support there. So I mean, it kinda works, but yeah. I also have, wait, was this always here? In the regular Model Y? I'm not sure, but but I mean, also here it is kind of cramped. I need to check now how they put it in the front seat here, how much forward it is. Yeah, you know what? It's actually not that. Why did the music come on by itself? That was strange. But yeah, it's okay space in the front, so I could even go slightly more forward. Yeah, and then if you go more forward, you can give some more space in the back. But yeah, this actually confirms what I heard from other Chinese people who review these cars, that a Model Y in China doesn't make a Model YL in China doesn't make much sense, because wait, I can't raise the windows. This is strange. Because there are so many other Chinese cars here, like the Onvo L90, or someone else mentioned the Li Auto, that cost roughly the same or maybe even less, but then you have way more space, way more comfort, and in general just way better car. So alright, I think that'll be it. I'll just get out of here. Yeah, maybe in Europe it will make more sense. I think that's going to be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.